everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to tell about how to install R and RStudio. So first of all we will go and into Google and download R for Windows. So I am using the Windows operation system. I'll click the download R for Windows. Here you can choose download R 4.13 for Windows, the R project, or you can go through this https www.rproject.com organization. So click on this link and you will get things started. Here you can see it is rproject.organization. So this is a link I'm providing you in description box. So you just click the link and download the R project for statistical computing. Here there is a CRAN. So to download R, please choose your preferred CRN. So for each and every country have preferred CRN. So I'm going to click download R, and here we can see different countries having a CRANs. See Argentina, Australia, and Austria, Belgium, Brazil. So we will check over to the if there is an India is also. Let's see whether there is an India. Scroll down. So here Chile, China, and France, Iran, Italy, yeah, Iceland, but there is no India. So what we will do, if there is no near CRN locations for in India, then you have to go to the Zero Cloud, click the HTTPS cloud Zero Cloud, and you will directly enter this page. Download R for Linux, R for Mac, and download R for Windows. So I am using the Windows operating system, so I'll go for download R for Windows only. Click the download R for Windows and you will directly to this page. Here there is a basic binaries based distribution. So install R for the first time. So if you're installing R for the first time, you go for the base install, click on the install R for the first time, and you will have the download R 4.13 for Windows. So this is all updated version. Before that, see the instructions. So this is the instructions. Go through the instructions thoroughly. What is the usage and other graphics and also things. So use all these thoroughly read these instructions before installing this. So install, and now download. Click the download R 4.13 for Windows. Okay, 14 seconds, 13 seconds. So 12, 10, 9 seconds, 8, 7, 6, 5. Just a. So it's downloading, and click on the side arrow, and here you can see open when done. Click on open when done, and you will be automatically directed to the page. So I'm closing this window. So you will have a select setup language. So this text box will appear, and go scroll it and click on next. And so here a program default it was appear. So if you want, you can choose, you can change the file, and click on next. And here you have already things. So click on next and keep it as same. No accept defaults. Keep it as this, as it is, as a defaulted. Click on next and click on next. Here click on create a desktop shortcut. So automatically the desktop icon will be appear after if you click on this box. So and next, click on next. So it is installing. After that, you will have this setup complete, then click on finish. So you will have two apps installed here, R, and now we will go learn how to download RStudio. So click on download RStudio in Google search, and click on the first option, download RStudio IDE. And here you can choose your version. free version, desktop pro, studio server. So I'm clicking the free version, click on download. Then this page will appear, so click on download RStudio for Windows, and here down you can see for Windows RStudio link is there, for Mac this link is there. So for each operating system has a different download thing, so you just go for a link and click on the download. So mine is operating system is Windows, so I'm clicking the download RStudio for Windows. So I think it's yeah, 5 seconds, 2 seconds, 3, 1. I just 9. Oh, sorry, 9 seconds. It's not like. So before that, when you're using the R and RStudio, you should have these two programs, R and RStudio. Okay, now it's downloaded. Click on open when done. Same process as we did in same for the R, and automatically these RVers will download it. So now you have to do is open to the downloads where you have download, and click on the sidebar and click run as an administrator, or you can click open. And here welcome to our RStudio setups. First of all you need to set up, click on open, and then next. So you can choose whichever folder you want, next, and click on install. Yes, it will take some time, so it will be installed. Then click on finish. So our RStudio is downloaded. To find our RStudio downloaded, go on search on Windows bar, click on R, and automatically RStudio will appear, and click on open file location, and click on RStudio, click run as administrator. Yes, now our RStudio rating is appeared. So if you want to learn about more things, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my videos, watch it, and if you have any queries, let's do comments. Thank you so much. Have a nice